So, by the way, my name is Mary Jane Magpale. I'm from the Philippines. So, today I will be presenting to you our research titled Crunching into Innovation, the Acceptability and Market Potential of Paco Chicharon in Caraga, Philippines. So, Paco is a fiddle fern. So, short background in terms of international context, no, according to Roy and Chadshari. So, it highlights nutritional benefits of Paco in combating anemia and promoting wellness. Now, while national research recognizes it as a health boosting indigenous food source and locally, the development of Paco demonstrates its potential for sustainable food innovation and livelihood through utilization of often discarded stocks. In terms of here in national context, it emphasizes the promotion of indigenous vegetables like Paco for addressing malnutrition and boosting food security. And here in Mindanao, Philippines, study shows that Paco supports eco-friendly food products and rural income through innovations like coming it into a chips or a chicharon. Now let's go to the statement of the problem. Number one, to determine the demographic profile in terms of respondents which participates in this survey in terms of age and sex. Number two, we have to assess the level of acceptability in the Fedel Fern Chicharon in terms of the appearance, taste, aroma, and texture. Number three, statement of the problem, we have to assess the level of saleability in terms of packaging and price. Then four, to determine if there is a significant relationship between the saleability and the acceptability of pedal fern chips. Now let's go to the significance of the study. We have business owners, community farmers or local farmers here, future researchers, and of course, government. Now let's go through the research methodology. So we used a descriptive quantitative research, which focuses on the sensory and market survey. We have 384 individuals here in Caraga. Then target or local of the study, we have universities in Caraga. Then we used a hedonic and Likert scale for evaluation and researchers instrument we validated the researchers questionnaire, which was validated again by the three experts. Then statistical tools like mean, deviation, and ANOVA. Now let's go to the result. In terms of acceptability, in terms of acceptance, appearance, rather 8.16, which was interpretative like extremely. Aroma 7.87, taste 8.03, and texture we have 8.23. So in conclusion, it is high sensory appeal, particularly for the texture itself. Then in terms of saleability, the packaging 4.43 and the price 4.30. So the conclusion would be product is well received for its price and of course its packaging. Now let's go to the discussion. In terms of sensory qualities, texture and appearance are key to consumer satisfaction since they received a high rate. Marketability, it attracts packaging and affordable pricing, which enhance consumer purchase intent. And demographics, we have consistent acceptance across sex and age groups. It's very Next, we have the conclusion. So, Paco Chicharon is a sustainable, marketable product with a strong sensory and economic appeal. Contributions, it supports indigenous communities, reduces waste, and caters to health-conscious consumers. Then future directions and exploring market strategies and test consumer preferences in diverse retail settings. And that's it. So before I end my presentation, let me leave you this quote. According to Gary Vaynerchuk, the best way to build a brand is to be consistent. So that's it for my presentation, and thank you so much for listening.